Hi, my name is Elizabeth Knoll and I work in System SSL. I'm here today to talk to you about zERT, or Z Encryption Readiness technology. So, what is zERT and why do you want to use it? On ZOS, your network traffic can be protected using multiple different mechanisms, such as TLS and SSL, IPsec, and SSH. However, if you can have any number of connections coming in at a given time, how can you tell which of these mechanisms is being used? Additionally, how is it possible to discover information about those connections, such as the cryptographic algorithms being used or protocol versions? Well, as of ZOS v2r3, zERT provides you with the capability of monitoring the information about the connections coming in through the TCP/IP stack. As you can imagine, from a security perspective, this is important because it allows you to audit your network encryption attributes, as well as kind of just confirming that your connections are as securely configured as you expect them to be. In order to enable zERT, you need to set some parameters in your TCP/IP profile. First, the first one is global config zERT or no zERT. This turns on and off the in-memory monitoring. It's off by default though, so if you never set it, zERT won't be enabled. The second This one configures the writing of SMF 119 subtype 11 records to SMF. And finally, the third This one configures the writing of SMF records to the zERT real-time NMI service. In addition to these parameters, setting these parameters in your TCP/IP profile, you can also use the ZOSMF configuration assistant for communications server under the TCP/IP profile perspective. So, what information does and doesn't zERT include in the data that you get? Well, it includes important attributes such as protocol version, cryptographic algorithms being used, and key lengths, as well as additional information such as session IDs or information about the certificate or certificates being used in the connection. zERT does not include information that's highly sensitive, such as secret numbers that are derived or negotiated during the protocol processing. This is what the information in an SMF 119 subtype 11 record might look like when viewed through zSecure Audit. One thing to keep in mind is that SMF 119 subtype 11 records are written on a connection-by-connection basis. So, for example, if you have tens of thousands of connections being made per minute, you might want to take that into account when deciding how long you're going to keep zERT enabled for. So, in conclusion, zERT provides you with a snapshot of your system's network cryptographic protection profile. And as such, while no secret values are included in the data, you still want to keep those SMF records secure. Thank you for watching, and our thanks go out to Chris Meyer for providing us with the information used in this video. Enterprise Knights of IBM Z, providing educational insights to the security and integrity of our platform.